Bullish Axie vastness cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $35.02 and $66.15 by 2030. Market examiners accept Axie could reach $27.24 by 2025. Bearish Axie vastness market cost expectation for 2023 is $6.23. Axie endlessness presentation. Axie limitlessness is a computerized pet local area that consolidates the best of blockchain innovation with conventional gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. In any case, what makes Axie endlessness extraordinary is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to claim their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axie. These Axies can be exchanged, reared, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie limitlessness? Axie endlessness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be gathered from parts. The game highlights a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game money, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thus based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neurotransmitter Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion in ubiquity. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, journey framework. And that's only the tip of the iceberg. Axie vastness current cost. Axie vastness is right now worth $7.78 USD. Axie has moved 1.56% as of now with an exchanging volume of $29,680,166. Axie vastness is right now positioned 57 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $888,645,617 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Axie limitlessness to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Axie limitlessness market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2023. Axie vastness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $11.67. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $10.89 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $9.34. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Axie limitlessness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $19.46. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Axie's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $15.56 and a typical exchanging cost of $17.12. Axie limitlessness value forecast 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $27.24 and Axie might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $24.90 and a low of $23.35 in 2025. Axie vastness value expectation 2026. Assuming that Axie limitlessness effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $35.02, with a base cost of $31.13 and a typical cost of $32.68. Axie vastness value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $40.47 by 2027, with a base cost of $38.91 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Axie has a most extreme value worth of $42.80. Axie vastness value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $48.25. In the event that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $50.58. Neglecting to assemble the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $46.69. Axie Vastness Value Forecast 2029. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $54.47 and a yearly cost close above $58.37 in 2029. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Axie Vastness will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $62.26 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $66.15, averaging out at $63.81. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Axie cost in 2031 is projected to be $76.26 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $73.15. And so what does the future hold for Axie Vastness? The reality of the situation will surface at some point. Yet assuming that the past is any marker, we can anticipate incredible things from this promising task. Make certain to watch out for Axie as it proceeds with its rising to becoming one of the top digital currencies on the planet. What is the Axie Endlessness cost today? Today, Axie Boundlessness is exchanging at $7.78 with an all-out market capitalization of $888,645,617. Is Axie Boundlessness a wise speculation? Axie Boundlessness ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is shrewd to say that Axie is a decent decision of venture. How high might Axie Endlessness at any point go? The typical cost of Axie Limitlessness might conceivably reach $10.89 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Axie Vastness might outperform $50.58. What amount will Axie Endlessness be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising ubiquity of digital money and Axie Limitlessness, a drawn-out interest in Axie could see the value ascend to $50.58 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Axie Boundlessness be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Axie Vastness today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Axie might actually ascend to $98.83 inside the following 10 years. What will the Axie Boundlessness cost?